Dumbbell exercises like bench presses, shoulder presses, and rows target major muscle groups in the upper body, including the chest, shoulders, and back. These movements enhance muscle strength, leading to improved functional fitness and daily performance. Core exercises such as Russian twists and plank rows help strengthen the abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back. A strong core supports overall body stability and posture. Dumbbell bench press. Lie on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward. Press the weights upwards until your arms are fully extended. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Dumbbell row. Bend over at the waist with a dumbbell in each hand. Pull the dumbbells towards your waist, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the weights back down. Dumbbell shoulder press. Stand or sit with a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Press the weights overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height. Dumbbell bicep curl. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended, palms facing forward. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders. Lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position. These routines target major muscle groups in the upper body and also engages the core. Perform 3 sets of each exercise with 10 to 12 repetitions per set. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets.